drywall nail pops coming back after you just fixed them? Yeah, that's super annoying and way too common, but you can totally stop it from happening again. So, first off, nail pops usually happen because the wood framing behind your drywall moves a bit, like with temperature changes or settling in your house. To keep those pops from coming back, use screws instead of nails when you put the drywall up or repair it. Screws hold better and don't loosen as easily. Also, make sure to drive the screws just right, not too deep or too shallow, so the drywall stays snug without breaking the paper surface. If you notice any gaps between the drywall and framing, fill those spots with some construction adhesive before screwing. Another thing is to check if your house's humidity levels are stable, because too much moisture makes wood swell and then shrink, causing movement. Using a dehumidifier or proper ventilation can help with that. Lastly, be gentle when sanding over patched areas. Overdoing it can weaken the drywall and lead to cracks later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall nail pops is using nails instead of screws. That's just asking for trouble because nails can work loose over time. Another common problem is not identifying if the framing behind the drywall is moving or shifting. If you ignore that, the pops will just keep coming back no matter what patching you do. The third issue is poor drywall finishing. If you don't feather out the joint compound properly or sand unevenly, cracks and pops can reappear quickly. Fix these by always using screws for drywall installation or repairs, checking for any structural movement before patching, and taking your time with mudding and sanding to get a smooth finish. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource that helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about drywall and home repairs. It also helps contractors find good work by matching them with people who really need their skills, making the whole process easier for everyone.